Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vedant's World, and today we are going to make this. And I'll tell you where I made it from. Okay, Papa, just give me the box. Thank you. My cameraman is my father, and this and this. Out of this, I made this, and I didn't see from the book. Okay, so I'll dismantle everything and show you how to make it. Okay, just a second, dismantling moment. If you want, you can help me.
Yeah, it's small only.
Yeah, small. You're right. All these pieces will be a little hard.
This I will help you.
My nail can literally break. Okay. Done? Oh. Don't drop the pieces! There should be one more. Yep, you dropped one.
I'll get it for you.
Okay, till then can I start the process?
Yes, please.
Okay, see. First we have to put this. We're making the base. So this grey piece will go down here. My father is just getting. Just ignore the noises. And one here. Oh, thanks. And now we'll put the blue here. That was a good timing, you got it. Now we'll put the blue here. We have the base complete. Okay, the treadmill is a little hard because this piece we have to fit. And this is a little hard. That was so easy.
That was hard. Oh my god, that was super hard.
Oh no, it was super hard. No. And then we'll put these pieces like a pattern. Now we have these two. So we'll put this piece here. You can put any color because both are two. This piece here, the treadmill with this color. No, I want to switch the colors. No, I want to switch it. Look nice. Am I right?
Yep.
Oops, this piece almost got stuck down. And then now I will fit this and this. So now we can fit another piece. That's why we have two. Done. Now squeeze it. There we go. Done. And you said, why didn't you get a whole piece like this? But I have to put this also. That has to connect to something. That's why. And we put these two pieces and we are done. Okay? No, too fast. Too slow, man. We'll have a scene like. Wait, if you want a treadmill, you can just go to our shop and buy this. Buy
Good
this.
idea.
Buy this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like it, press that like button, hit that subscribe button, press that notification bell. Okay, so guys, for now, bye. And wait, dismantle, mantle. Oh, what's mantle? Okay, bye.